Hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. This week on the Magic Roundabout, this one is a Dinky Toys Volvo Estate. I'll give you the other details when we get it off the roundabout. Now this is a DMC, Diecast And Modelers Community build challenge for January, which is any European car. And this one was donated to me last year with a couple of others from Lawrence, which is Pop's Reclamation Station over in Canada. I've got a few videos out. Nice guy, some good videos out. He's only just started out, been going about a year now off and on because of work commitments and stuff. So yeah, Pop's Reclamation Station, I think I've got that right. Yeah, so here we go. This is the DMC challenge, Diecast And Modelers Community, and the challenge was any European car. So I thought, well, I've got this one. The keen-eyed among you will notice these are the wrong wheels. I've already took the original wheels off because I was doing something and I wanted to try it out before I made the decision on using this car. So there we go. And also, I'd like to welcome all the friends of the channel, old and new. Thanks for sticking with me. Right, let's get this with the magic and get on with it. Alrighty, let's see what we got then. These wheels will fall off it because they're not on permanently, so we just take them out of there. These are off the, I did that Jag the other month for the challenge, any British muscle car. Well, these are the wheels off, the original wheels off it. So there you go, that's off them. Had two rivets in it, one there and one there. I ground them out. It's got a plastic base. This is a Volvo 265 DL Estate car. Nice big tank of a car, this one. Actually, in real life, it's a nice car. So pull it off. It's a bit tight on the front end because them bumpers curl around and attach to the casting there, and they can be a little bit tricky. So that comes off. More about the back axle. So on the base, you have the front grille, and then there's that piece of, I think, yeah, it just slides in. These are the headlights. Okay, they'll want a good clean up, they will. And there's your plastic base. Alright. I have done a bit of work to this to get these wheels to fit in, because what I wanted to do, get the wheels to fit in nice and tight. So there's the interior. As you can see, I've done a bit of work on the wheel arches there. It always looks a bit crap because it's rough, it's plastic in it. So that's your interior. Nice luxurious seats. Steering wheel. Not much of a dash, but the steering wheel's fairly accurate. There you go, that's the interior. The boot opens on this, as you can see. Which then should, the glass wasn't riveted, so it should come out. Yeah, but oh no, it is riveted. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Right, okay. I didn't think it was. It is. Look, there it is. Yeah. Silly Millie, silly Billy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to dig that out now. I'm gonna have to grind that out because it's very short rivet. Look, if you can see it there, it's very close. Get it there. There you go. It's very close to the edge of there. So I'm going to get the burr in. I'm going to get the burr in there and just burr that down. And that should allow the door to come out from behind that clear. So I'll get my tools and we'll get that sorted out. Okay, that didn't quite go according to plan. That was a bit tougher than I expected. Yeah, I got the burr on the Dremel, because that's a bit close to the edge, and got it out anyway, but in doing so this piece broke off here, there. So it happens. You can see how close it was to the rivet, and I didn't break it doing it with the burr. I broke it trying to get it out because it's very tight, and it just snapped it off. So it's not a worry because the tailgate still fits on in there, and it's a tight fit, and it doesn't flop about, so that's okay. So we've got a bit of a result there. Then I have to burr off the rivet there as well. Okay, so the glass can come out. All right. So yeah, that was a bit more work than I expected it to be, but there you go. I didn't look properly. So anyway, that's for the stripper. That's for the stripper. And these are going to be, this is going to want a real good clean. So I'm going to go in the, as you can see, it's filthy, isn't it? Going to go in the soapy water first, get cleaned up. There's got a crack in it across there. It's not bad. Get in the soap water, give it a good old clean up. Then we use the sanding sticks. Get it cleaned up and see what it comes up like. Same with the back window. I will put a drop of glue on there and I'll see, where is it? So I can put it back together again. But I'm not bothered if it doesn't work because, like I said, it doesn't stop the tailgate from going up and down. Because sometimes these glass pieces, like the perspex pieces, they support the tailgate, but this one doesn't. It goes over the top of it, but it doesn't support it. Okay, so there you go. There you go. Shit happens. Get cracking then. Alrighty, she's all painted. I've gone with this, I don't think you'll see it. I've gone with this pearlized spray paint. Adds a beautiful shimmering effect. Silver. So I've tried that. It's quite a nice finish actually. It's quite a nice finish. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. It's had a couple of days to dry because I wasn't sure. The normal paint that I use dries fairly quickly, but this one I wasn't sure about, so I left it. I did give it a coat of lacquer and what have you, and it's come out quite nice. So that's the body done. Painted the interior black to go with this colour instead of that horrible brown it was. And I painted the base. I've given that a satin black. Okay, so that should be okay. Give the old satin black on there. All right, and clean the windscreen up. It's a bit dusty at the minute because I've just been doing something. So clean the windscreen up and all the other bits and bobs, the boot lid and everything is all done. So now I'm going to paint the details. So detail wise, I'm going to do a chrome line across there. Obviously then there's the indicators, lights and that at the back, and the door handles and such like. I might do them in black actually, door handles, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is an experiment as well as a DMC challenge. It's also an experiment with this pearlized paint. So I've got another one. I've got a white over there. So we'll see. So I'm gonna get the brushes out. Just check on Google Images on the details, and we'll get on with it. Okay, let's do the orange first. On the front here. Because I'm using my tablet, I have to come off to the side a little bit. So this is a Tamiya clear orange. I usually put a couple of coats of this on. just to get it in the where it needs to be. Where it needs to be, fellas. Hopefully you can see this. It's been cold in the shed this morning. I've got the door open because I've got a dog in with me. And he doesn't like being shut in too much. Especially when it's daylight. Night time, it's okay. Okay, that's the front ones. I'll wash my brush out and I'll do the back ones. Right, let's do these back ones. Got the red. We'll do the in a minute. There we go. Just get it gently first. This is strange because I'm peering around the side of the camera here to have a look. Because looking through the camera is awkward. Right, that's the red. Right, I'm going to carry on the rest of these details and I'll catch up when it's finished. Okay, it's assembly time on the old Volvo for the DMC challenge. Right, I put the window glass in. And I've done the window wipers. And I put the glass in the back. Plus the window wiper. It's all to go. And I put the headlight glass in there. Okay. So I'm trying to work around the camera here. I'll get her up. I think we'll have to put. Let's have a look. Try and get this door in now. So we can get this door in. It's a bit tight, but we'll get it in. Somehow. There we go. It's going to be a bit tricky, isn't it? Putting that down in there. It needs to be pushed down somehow, so I guess I'm going to push it down with my screwdriver. Oh, bloody hell, it's at the house, isn't it? Oh, no. Let me have a look what we got here. Well, so this might do it. That's it. 1, 2. That's it. Push them in. There you go. That's working. Interior. I'm trying to work behind this camera. As you can see, it's a bit awkward. This is blocking the light off as I move around. Put this in. That's in there. Axles. That's in there. That's in there. Okay, this is a tricky bit because this is a bit awkward getting this in and out of here. That's that. Snap. That should snap together like so. Should. Well, we need a bit of super duper on the front here. We need a bit of super duper on the front. Hold that for a second. Let's hold that in there. That in there. Excuse me. Bit of super in there. Now what's happened here? Oh, you tosser. The wheels are popped out, that's it. There you got it. There you have it. There you have it. Right, let's get it on the Magic then. And we'll have a look at it. Look better on the Magic, you can see it better. Here we are then, all done. Diecast Volvo Estate for the DMC Challenge, any European car. Painted in tail lights. And all of the extra details, a wheel swap. Chrome paint on the door handles. Headlights are in. They're a bit dark against that bumper, but you just see them going around there now. Look. Headlights are in. Window wipers on. This is that pearlised silver. It's quite nice. Went on nicely. Yeah. Yeah, not too bad at all, this one. Pretty basic. Change the interior colour to a black. Yeah. Drop that down. Okay then. That's it then. Just like to say, thanks for watching. It's much appreciated. This is on the Tuesday, I think, so there'll be an all restoration on the Wednesday. Okay, then. See you all later. Bye for now.